My name is Keith. I'm from Rock, Jamaica. Rock. My life as a fisherman, then I start do fishing, in my school days. Going to school, coming from school fishing. That from about 10 years old. Go to school, come home, fishing, net, boat, fish pot. From all those times, from in the 50s. From in the 50s, me doing all those things. Yeah. Until now, you know. My father was a fisherman. My father the first person me fishing with in my youth days. Yeah, deep water fishing. Me do inside fishing and me do spear fishing too. Also, in the 60s, 70s, fishing went good. Yeah, catch a lot of fish. But now, it's a bit scarce. And most of the area them is a little bit fish out, fishing out, you know. So, get as much fish like what you used to get before. You tell them have a lot to do with it, you know. And the environment, and then dig up the place and clean out the grass, them and all those things. And right over there, so I go about school, you know. Right across where so I go to school in the 50s. So I know the beach are from in the 50s, but it wasn't like this. It was a lot of bush and thing, and right up there, so up at the wall, up at the sea, up at the wall at the school, and right up there, so the sea went there, you know. Always bounce by the sea wall. Yeah, in those times. We gradually develop and do a lot of cleaning up and things, and other person drop in and up on the beach also. Yeah. So from in that time there, me fishing me there on this beach. Otherwise, before we come here, so you did have about at least about 2 or 3 fishermen always fishing down here, so. But definitely original up in the town there, so where the hotel built now. I front page there, so that's my original fisherman beach. Until then, them people are coming now and say, where XYZ and them need, you know. So below them to start do them thing and which party we in control. That's how we go through the government and we get this the fisherman. You know see. But after the man them start do them thing and we see what them do, it come in like this now. We lose control of this. So them say then go give you a look
different location.
A different location. Yeah. So yes, so them locate with, you know. We have a lot of fishermen who complain still and say with the hotel and things, they mash up the environment and things with the hotel. And we are used to catch fish closer in and things like that. You have to go further out now and them something there to catch fish. You're moving up and down, we can't work with that, so we decide to take a route. Now and then put the here so. And sometimes them talk like they really don't want to lift you up from here so again and put it somewhere else. But that can't go work. You understand? Because you know nowhere else in the environment where you go have a nice fishing place like on the frontier here so. I know that. Them can't put you in the river. There's nowhere in the river we put us. You understand? So they have to go hold the base and know say, yes. Anything, any development and things what them want to do, they have to go do it with us here. Because we don't have nowhere else to go. And right here we are staying. All of the seafront land they want to take away, brother. That's what they want to do it. You know what I mean? But you them have the power and things like that. And we are the small bait down here, so fisherman is a target right now. All of them. And just that investors want to come in and take over everything. You know what I mean? But it can't work so. You know? The hotel come and him take when he take and him know say, well, when fence off, he know say this one for the guests there. The beach are for them also, but the beach are for them and for also for us. Beach also, you know. So we don't have no problem then come on the beach but when we go up on the beach and the security they will look on you and tell you say tourist environment and say you can't be there, and that's not right. You know what I mean? No. Because you can't want a beach. You build your hotel but you fence off the hotel and you know say this. If them see you as a fisherman beyond the fence in the hotel region and tourist region, they can't do anything with you. They can't charge you or whatever, they can't tell you say Ray and whatever, you know what I mean? This one of Europe. Yeah. But the beach, when you see to the fence outside here, so I feel the fisherman. Yeah. Yeah, that's the only thing me that like. Say if you really know, say the government, we just love fisherman on the beach. And if them have a setting to the beach, then just work with us and set the beach and make you all be happy. And just be nice. You know what I mean? Yeah. No quarrel and no fuss and no fight. You want a fishing beach. Because humble. People can come in, full joy themselves, eat 2 roast fish, eat 2 fried lobster or whatever, drink some fish tea, eat a food, relax, full joy yourself until you're ready to leave. You just leave comfortable. A normal day for me, come on the beach, play 2 domino, have a few drinks with my brethren them until I'm ready to go out to sea, then change off and put on my clothes and jump on my kayak and paddle out, spend a couple hours out at sea, and me coming back with a few things like maybe few conch, couple fish, few lobster, few sea cat, and then sell it to somebody, sell some to some people, take some to the yard and all those things. But them that are my only enjoyment on the beach, otherwise. See, as long as you better go there for 7 days for the week, as long as it's calm out there. It's the only time I don't go out there when the weather is bad. Yeah, and I stay warm, you know. Yeah. The biggest fish me ever catch in a marlin tournament, 550 pounds. Sometimes the marlin more, you may take the lure, you know, but one other time you love the fish bait more. So you more go after the fish, so you hook him on the fish bait. And it was a fish bait we hooked the 550 pound marlin pan. Yeah. We get the strike from say 7 o'clock in the morning and we kill him pretty near close 12 o'clock before we could have put him on board. I don't have no fear, man. No fear. Buck up and shark out the boy shark and I buck up and I don't like, you know, in armless. I like nurse shark and them shark you know, really attack. And you in a bonito them, you may see a white tip come in, but at the bonita them him a catch. You know what I mean? And sometimes you hook up a bonita and take it away. I don't go to the supermarket. Whenever I come in, I sell the fish just on the beach. To the people them that come on the beach. It's not a customer, man. I have no problem with customers when they come in. Because you see, the thing about it now, fish are sell for 12 bills a pound right now. And some of the guys them are sell the fish. When me I sell fish for 12 bills a pound, I give the person them quality like 1 pound, pound and a half. I sell those for 12 bills a pound. Under that, like 8 bills and 7 bills lower down doctor fish and all them fish. Yeah. Sell them for price. And we don't pressure people. If we come and you have the fish and the quality fish you want and you don't have enough money, we still give you a blight. You know what I mean? Because I know say you want 250. So me always have a customer at all time. The only message I could give to the fisherman them across the island, you know. I don't want every man as fisherman live good, you know, and live loving and just good to others, just like how they want to good to you or anything, you know? Yeah. Yeah, that's all.